as I gaze into the skies of Uiki. The sparkling water shining down below, and the moon reappears behind the clouds above. That's where I cry tears from my heart's in Uiki. Uiki, aloha iaoe. Uiki, makani nui kaika. Uiki, aloha. When I look into the mountains of Waioi, the twinkling stars are shining down on me, and the cool mountain breeze can now touch my eyes. That's when I cry a tears for my heart in Uiki. Uiki, aloha iaoe. Uiki, makani nui kaika. Ke aloha, uomi o Uiki. Ke aloha, uomi o Uiki. Kila kila ohana, aina hanoia. Aina ulele. Kila kila ohana, aina hanoia. Aina ulele. Elani maolio. Aiaiva. Made name Tolentino from Hana, Maui. She married a great man, Robert K. Homalu from the district of Puna. Very beautiful man. If you ever have a chance to go out to Kalapana, where Uncle Ed is from, and a beautiful place. She wrote this song of her, Hana, or her place, where she was born. It's a beautiful song. No, no, Just think of walking down Hanabe and how slow that town is. Down in Waikoloa. And the Hasegawa General Store. Our brother Mikelo. We love him, we miss him. A very talented Hawaiian musician. Uncle Eddie finally got to go up there, jump into the jam session up in heaven. He was waiting for Uncle Eddie. I'm sure they're smiling. They finally get to relax.